Hey, this is Mike with YBuy, and I'm at the Outer Banks right now. Just got back from a walk on the beach and saw the first solar system that I've encountered here, which is a solar pool heating system. You can save a lot of money by going with a system like that. You cover about 50 to 100% of the area of the pool, and it can save you energy and extend out the season of the pool. So now I'm back, and pretty much the whole reason I'm here in the first place is going to a tiny home festival, and I'm going to take some pictures and shoot some video and document it for everybody that can't be here, and really just kind of show you what's going on and what kind of innovations are out there on the market.